Hey everyone, this is Annette Morris from a more Majestic Home Decor and DIYs. I wanted to just come on and show you some of my Valentine DIY gifts making that I did. Some that I did on TikTok and some you may have seen before, but I really want to show how you can put together nice little gift sets for your family and friends and give them as group gifts. Like one something for the whole family, something at the office, or just maybe as a little at a little party, Valentine party. So sit back and relax, and let's do this. Now at Dollar Tree, they have these little serving cups that you can put little small items in, and I thought this would be perfect for me to build my hot cocoa kits that you can give as gifts. So I'm putting together, as you can see, my setup here. The first layer is dry milk, and then the next is the cocoa, then the marshmallows, small mini marshmallows, and then your choice of chocolates. It can be Hershey Kisses or these right here, these little hearts that you can also get at Dollar Tree, chocolate hearts at Dollar Tree. Now I'm showing you how I put this together. It's just really simple. Taking a pretty wrapping paper, Valentine wrapping paper, and cardboard. Glue the wrapping paper on the cardboard, then wrap it around the can, tape it, and then now you have your small brown gift container. Now here's a simple way to make gift tags for any gift giving. Now using the accordion fold or the fan fold, you can make several gift tags. Once you dress it up, you can address it on the inside as to and from, and attach instructions on how to enjoy your hot cocoa treats. And for each gift container, you're able to get 2 hot cocoa kits inside. And then you're complete. Simple and easy Valentine gift giving. This would be great for a Valentine gift for a family or any group gift giving. Using that same paper in the colors that you see above, let's do another one. This time we're going to make a tag using 3 cutouts. Now this tag can be 2 in 1. It can have the hot cocoa instructions on the inside and also a gift tag. As you can see, these 2 are placed on the fold and then cut out. Now that third piece actually should be cut out with the brown paper. And you'll see where that goes once we start putting everything together. The only thing you will need other than the paper that you're using here is when you go to add the marshmallows, you need a puffy paint, white puffy paint. Now on the inside of this gift tag, you will have the instructions on how to mix the hot cocoa, and then you have also where you can put to and from the handle. It opens up into a heart. You can write to and from inside. Here's another idea. Do you have any peppermints left over? Those small peppermints are really great to use as gift giving for groups. Here's how you can put this together. Just take the peppermint and make into hearts and tape clear paper in the back, cellophane paper to the back to hold it in place. And now you can fill it with any treats that you want to. Mine would be chocolate kisses. And you can also pick these up at the Dollar Tree. And now that I have my little gift kits, now it's time to package them as gifts. I came across this, decided to just try to recycle something and see if it will work. I'm used to making little gift baskets and little gift containers anyway, so this was really not that complicated to do. With that one recycled container, I was able to cut out 4 more small containers. I found another one and ended up getting a total of 8. This next Valentine gift set is a gift basket, and it consists of all the goodies, the chocolate goodies that you ever want to think of or want in a gift basket, candy gift basket. So this is a chocolate candy gift basket that can go for a family or just one person. Now you can find these containers like this at Target. I found this one at Target, and you can always find the red one that's showed you the first time. That you can get at the Dollar Tree. And all these different things here are from the Dollar Tree. With this gift basket, the candy gift basket, you use this wooden skewers to attach on the back of the candy, and you take the red doily and wrap it around the candy, and then you secure it inside the planter with styrofoam, and that's it. And of course, this will make a great gift giving basket for a group. So now let's make another one. This one can be a family gift basket, and in that you will include all type of assorted items that you can find from the Dollar Tree. From the coffee mugs to the writing pad to the pencils to the erasers, just whatever you think you want to put in this basket, and also include candy. Let me show you how. Now, this gift basket is for the family. It can consist of coffee mugs, it can consist of candy, a variety of things that you can put together in this gift basket. And you can think of things that children may need, like your pencil erasers, coloring books. It's all up to you. And gift cards. That would be great to put gift cards in there. And that will complete this gift basket. Now, comment down below and tell me out of all the 8 gift sets that you saw, that can be group gift sets used for schools, school parties, any kind of gift giving event that you want to make this special for. Comment down below which one you really like. Okay? To all my Amore family, thank you, Amores. And I'll see you next video. Be safe and be blessed.